This isn't just a luxury SUV, it's power disguised as elegance. But how fast can a Range Rover really go? Tonight, we uncover the performance that redefines what an SUV is capable of. Welcome to Next Generation Cars, where performance meets cinematic storytelling. For decades, Range Rover defined luxury in motion. Not just comfort, but capability. From rugged terrains to city streets, it built a reputation for going anywhere without sacrificing refinement. But speed? That was never the main story. Until now, because the Sport SV isn't here to follow tradition. It's here to challenge it. And then, it appears. The 2027 Range Rover Sport SV. Lower, sharper, more aggressive than anything before it. The camera circles slowly, capturing a presence that feels powerful even at a standstill. This isn't just evolution, this is transformation. Every detail is engineered for intent. Wider stance, sharper lines, aerodynamics that don't just improve efficiency, but hint at speed. Compared to previous models, the Sport SV feels more focused, more athletic. It still carries the DNA of luxury, but now moves with purpose. And yet, design is only the beginning. Under the surface, everything changes. A high-performance powertrain delivers explosive acceleration far beyond what you'd expect from an SUV. Advanced suspension systems adapt in real time. Handling becomes sharper, more precise. This isn't just about going fast in a straight line. It's about controlling that speed with confidence. Where older Range Rovers focused on terrain, this one masters the road. Step inside, and everything changes again. Silence replaces speed. Luxury replaces aggression. Premium materials surround you. Technology responds effortlessly. It's a contrast that feels almost unreal, a machine that can dominate the road, yet calm you completely. But in a world filled with performance SUVs, where does the Sport SV stand? Competitors push extreme power. Others focus on luxury alone. The Sport SV tries to do both. And that creates a new question: can one SUV truly master both worlds? And now, the answer you've been waiting for. The Range Rover Sport SV can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 3.6 seconds. For a machine of this size, that's not just fast, it's unexpected. Because this isn't just about speed, it's about redefining what speed feels like in luxury. And in that future, SUVs will never be the same again. So, is this the ultimate performance SUV? Tell us what you think. And if you believe the future of driving is already here, subscribe to Next Generation Cars.